everyone, welcome to Go School Learning. We are the fastest growing edtech in GCC and our aim is to provide education for all. Today I'm here with another important update, that too the important update of JEE. Okay, so many of you are writing the JEE exam, you have submitted your application form and some of you are worried about the mistakes that you guys made in the application form. Did you make any mistake? Don't worry, you have a good news. The correction window is open now. So in the NTA website, the correction window is opened and this notification was released on 18th November. But don't worry, you have 2 days for the correction, okay, which are the two important days. So you have to keep this in mind tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So if you are watching the video on 25th November, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is 26th November and 27th November is the day for you to correct your mistakes. Okay. So which all fields are there? Okay. Which all fields are open for this correction? Let's see the more details. And before that, don't forget the days. 26th and 27th November. Okay. And how will you correct this? Before moving to anything else, you must know where you can correct this. Okay. So not the website. You all must know this, right? jeemain.nta.nic.in. So this is the website where you can do your corrections. Okay. So don't forget this website and 26th, 27th November. And what is the time? Till 11:50 p.m. you can do your corrections and that too Indian Standard Time. Okay, so up to 11:50 p.m. you can do your corrections. Okay, so what all fields? And one more thing, your fees must be paid through credit card, debit card, net banking or UPI. Okay, you all know this, right? So when do you have to pay the money? If you choose first paper, that you choose BTech paper and you are going to add one more paper, additional paper, that is BArch, then you have to pay the money. Okay, or if you choose BArch and then you are going to add one additional thing, that is BTech paper, then you have to pay the money. Okay, and then one more thing. Okay, last submission date, it's already over. 22nd November is already over. And then how do you do this? Go to the website that I showed you before, and here it is shown that registration window has been closed now. Okay, tomorrow it will be open. The correction window will be open here in the same place. And when you log into that website, you can see, okay, you can see a window like this. Here you have to put your application form, like which one you applied for, that you have to mention here, then the application number, then the password, and you have to log in. Okay, log into the website, and then what all things you can edit, so candidates shall not be allowed to change. So the first thing is, what all things you can't change. Okay, what all things you can't change is your mobile number, mail address, email address, then address, emergency contact details, photographs of the candidates. You can't change this. Okay, you can't edit this, unfortunately. And then what all things you can edit? You can change any one of these three. That is, you can change your name, your father name, or your mother name. Okay, so if you made any mistakes in these three, you can edit any one of this, not all of three. You can edit any one of this. And then what you have, candidates shall be allowed to change all the fields. Okay, so your 10th, 12th and PAN card details, you can change all three. Okay, so if you made any mistakes in these three, you can edit all of this. Okay, and then you are allowed to change your examination city and medium of examination. That is a good news, right? So some of you are waiting for the flight tickets and you are not getting it. Don't worry, you can change your city selection. Okay, city selection you can change. That's a good news, right? Great news, right? And then the another thing is, candidates shall be allowed to change all the fields, your date of birth, gender, category, subcategory. So some of you are applied under general category and now you have to change it to OBC or whatever you belong to, the whatever is your subcategory, you can change that. Okay, but make sure that you have the certificates. You are like you are able to submit the certificates at the time of your, like after writing the exam, you're going for the counseling, right? So at that time you must be able to submit the certificates. That's it. And then signature, these all things you can change. And then you have the good news, you can add a paper. Some of you have only applied for the B Arc, and now you are thinking, oh, I should have applied for the BTech. Then you can, right? You can add a paper, but there will be a payment for that. Okay, so you can pay that to debit card, credit card, or like UPI or net banking. Don't worry about that. And then okay, this is like one time correction. You can change your things, you can edit your application only once. If you corrected it, you submitted it, then that page will be freeze. Okay, you can't do further edits. So whatever mistakes you made, okay, so you have to go through the application thoroughly, you have to check everything, and you have to do all your corrections at once. It's like a one time chance. If you are submitting it, you can't do it again. Okay, so please be very careful. And again, the additional fee thing that we mentioned, and that's it, guys. So don't forget this 26th and 27th November. That is, if you are watching this on 25th, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Don't forget this. Be ready with your papers, be ready with your laptop. Okay, and don't forget the website. I'll show it again. Don't forget the website. You can go to jemain.nda.nic.in. Okay, and don't worry, you can edit your application and be prepared for the exam. And we can see you in another informative video like this. Till then, stay tuned to Go Scout Learning. Bye bye.